Hello there. As you can see on my screen, I cannot see the profile picture of these people, or you can see the display picture or profile picture. I cannot see them. But some of them are visible, but the rest is not visible. So I have a solution for you guys. So hopefully it works for you. So for that, you need to first close Discord from here, and then type type network, and after that you will find this option. All right, this will work in every Windows. If you have 11, 8, 7, anything, just type network, you will find this, and then select the one which you are active. So right now my Wi-Fi is connected to this network, so you select the one, and then properties. Right now you will find this option called internet protocol version 4. So there is also a version 6. Don't click here, just click version 4 and double click here, then this will pop up. From here you need to check this box, and here you need to type 8888, then okay, and then again okay. Don't press cancel, then again okay, and the setting is on place. Now close it and make sure that Discord is closed. All right, and open Discord again. So let's, okay, it's open. Now let's go to the server. So yeah, now as you can see, the profile picture is now appeared. There is no glitch anymore. So yeah, it works for me, and hopefully it will also work for you as well. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and please like and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.